Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Also turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to do your brow using the brow gel. I remember I talked about this in one of my videos, so this is me making the video for it. So first of all, you will need your brow gel, your tinted brow gel, and that's basically what you need. So what you have to do is just brush your brow in upward motion like you'd normally do if you're brushing your brow with a spoolie. So this particular brow gel is from Kiss Beauty, and that's what I'm using in this video. So the importance of this method is that it's very fast and you can just do it on the go. Let's say you're rushing out to work or to school. After brushing your brows with the tinted brow gel, the next thing you want to do is to use a makeup wipe to clean out the edges of your brow. So I totally recommend this for days when you want to go natural, like you're not putting on makeup, or days when you want to go for a natural kind of makeup look, like a no makeup. So after cleaning out the edges of your brow, you will need to get like a spoolie. It's not the spoolie from the tinted brow gel, like a very neutral spoolie, and use it to brush your brow to make it look more natural. So after cleaning out the edges of your brow, you brush it. So this is me using an old toothbrush because I couldn't find my spoolie, so I was just using an old toothbrush to just brush out the brow. And once again, I'm using the makeup wipe. So it's also important to note that this product does not transfer. I don't know if this is the same for every brow gel product, but the particular product I'm using doesn't transfer, so which means you can wear it for the whole day. This is also sweat proof, which means if you're wearing it in the morning, you're sure that your brow is going to stay intact for the rest of the day. So guys, this is the final look, and I love the way it looks. It's just giving this very natural vibe. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Please turn on post notification, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.